Welcome back to the channel, fellow affiliates. Today I'm gonna deliver a unedited video because I want to be honest with you guys on the entire thing. I have made a blog where I share my personal opinions on things, to be able to share honesty and be able to express myself in a way that doesn't sound scammy, because you know, we all experience scammers out here, right? And I try to bring different things to the table, and that's why I've made a blog where I review everything. It is not a huge blog yet, but what I can say is that the 2 courses I've taken, for example, or any software I am going to be using, I will be reviewing on this given blog. So if you will allow me to read some of this up for you, so you can get the idea that I only share what I believe in and I don't share to make money. Obviously we gotta make money somehow out here, right? But I want to tell you this much. I make $3.50 when you buy a $7 course, right? So the trade-off for me is that you get knowledge and I get a little bit of payment, right? I don't get a lot of money from you buying a course that I promote, right? But let me just share this on the next screen with you, and we can go through the 2 courses I have been through together. Welcome back to the screen here. So let's start with Legendary Marketer. Should you buy? I'm gonna read this up for you guys so you get the idea that I'm not just sitting here trying to sell you stuff. So that might be the question you are asking yourself right now. Why should I buy and try out the Legendary Marketer course? Well, the answer is pretty straightforward. The price will set you back $7 for a 15-day challenge. This is gonna allow you to learn all the fundamentals of what it means to run a profitable online business from scratch. And yes, upsells is a part of the $7, but no one is forced to buy the $2,500 blueprint that is recommended in the course. You can be 100% set with just spending $7. Now, obviously, if you buy $2,500 worth of information, you will get a lot more out of it, obviously, right? So here's my top 3 reasons why you should take this. You get very great fundamentals told from day 2. It teaches you discipline, as the course is 15 days. You gotta be disciplined to sit around for 15 days. And then it also widens your perspective of what it means to build a business from scratch. I gave this course 8.5 out of 10, and I did that because I really loved the way Dave Sharp is presenting this course, and I felt personally that I learned a lot. I haven't really went back to it, but there is also a lot of unnecessary stuff inside this course, but I highly recommend it for the sake of understanding affiliate marketing on a deeper level. If we then go to Freedom Breakthrough, Jonathan Montoya's very well-known 3-day challenge, and should you buy it? And my answer is obviously, again, it's yes. And why, you're probably asking yourself? Well, everything you learn in this course is easy to apply and can be used on multiple platforms, right guys? Jonathan is explaining everything with such high passion that you almost never feel fatigued listening throughout this course. I personally completed it in 2 days. And if you are a strong listener and you want to, you can complete this course within the same day you bought it. But I do recommend spending at least 48 hours in between to consume the information the very best. And again, I rate this course 8.5 out of 10 because it's equally as good as Legendary. Now, why should you try this? You ask yourself. You learn how you generate traffic. Obviously not instantaneously, no one gets traffic instantly. You learn a little bit about Google Ads, and you also learn how important your email list is to build. Besides that, it also dives into YouTube, and YouTube is a very important part of your journey because you need to build videos on your YouTube channel. And also, you learn sales funnel information. You learn how to build a sales funnel, which is incredible. And also you learn strategies for TikTok. Who doesn't like that? To learn how you use TikTok as a powerful platform to make money for yourself and potentially your family, and potentially also make you able to quit your 9-to-5. Now, I will say this much. You will not be able to quit your 9-to-5 within the first year, except if you are very lucky. I promised you I would be honest in this one. But also, the reason to join the 3-day challenge is because you get a Facebook group with, right now, approximately actually 9,000 members. That is 9,000 people that have the same goal as yourself. Now, I would like to show you what happens when you click on this button right here. So what happens is you get on this page here, and it basically shows what you will get. And you get a lot of things for $7. I'm not gonna lie. This is very powerful stuff. So here you get this video, right? And he tells you a bunch of things that is very important. And this is his way of selling. That's his stuff, right? That's a short introduction there. Then this one, again, we get introduced by a video, and we get told that there's a 3-step process that has helped thousands make their first $1,000 online. Start your online business today. And again, you get told what you get in this program. You get a free ebook. You get email swipes. You get a complete done business for you. Now, I do recommend trying to make your own either ebook or just your own lead magnet to kind of explore different possibilities for yourself, right? And this is the front page. It's really simple, obviously. And then this is the page where I share what software I use, right? And what happens when you click here is that you get to the website, obviously, so you can sign up, right? And that is the same with Systeme.io. You just get to the software through my link. So basically, I recommend going in here and read what you think. And obviously, you support me if you hop on here and click my links. It's affiliate links, so you support me, but your help makes me able to continue either making these types of videos or making informative content for you guys, right? So your support means the world to me. This is by far one of the best free softwares I've used, besides ClickFunnels, right? So I really recommend Systeme.io, and I recommend GetResponse. You can run this for as little as $15 a month, and you can have this for free 100% until you have 1,000 email subscribers. So yeah, let's go back to the other screen. Closing off this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and comment if there's anything you want me to do better in the next video. I highly appreciate if you watched this video to the end, and if you did get any value from this, don't forget to leave a like and comment, and so subscribe if you like the content enough that you want to stay here. With that said, have a great day and go make that money, be glorious, never settle for less, and I will see you guys in the next video.